When it comes time to sell a home in Lafayette, first impressions and long-term value matter more than ever. Buyers today are looking for properties that feel well cared for, energy efficient, and move-in ready. One of the most effective upgrades homeowners can make to increase resale value is replacing or upgrading outdated windows. Modern window upgrades improve both the appearance and performance of a home, making it more attractive to buyers and more competitive in the local market. Here's how window upgrades can significantly boost your Lafayette property's resale value. Stronger curb appeal creates a powerful first impression. Curb appeal is often the first thing buyers notice, and windows play a major role in how a home looks from the street. Old, faded, or mismatched windows can make a property feel neglected, while modern windows instantly refresh the exterior. Upgraded windows create clean, uniform lines across the facade, make homes look newer and well-maintained, enhance architectural balance and style, increase buyer interest before they step inside. In Lafayette neighborhoods, strong curb appeal can set a home apart from similar listings. Energy efficiency is a top selling point. Today's buyers are increasingly focused on energy efficiency, and windows are a major factor. Older windows often allow drafts, heat transfer, and moisture intrusion, leading to higher utility bills. Energy-efficient window upgrades offer improved insulation through multi-pane glass, reduced heating and cooling costs, more consistent indoor temperatures, better overall comfort. Buyers appreciate knowing that upgraded windows will help keep long-term living costs lower, which can justify a higher asking price. Updated windows signal quality and care. When buyers see modern windows, they often assume other parts of the home have been well maintained too. Window upgrades send a clear message that the homeowner has invested in quality improvements rather than short-term fixes. This perception builds buyer confidence, reduces concerns about hidden repair costs, makes the home feel move-in ready. A well-upgraded home often sells faster and with fewer negotiations. Increased natural light makes interiors more appealing. New windows typically offer larger glass areas and clearer panes, allowing more natural light to fill the home. Bright interiors feel more spacious, welcoming, and modern, qualities buyers actively seek. Window upgrades help open up living spaces, visually highlight interior finishes and layout, create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Homes that feel bright and airy tend to leave a lasting impression during showings. Improved noise reduction adds comfort. Value. Noise can be a concern for buyers, especially in active Lafayette neighborhoods. Modern windows with insulated glass and tight seals help reduce outside noise. Quieter interiors improve overall comfort. Appeal to families and professionals alike, add a sense of privacy and relaxation. This comfort benefit enhances perceived value without changing the home's footprint. Lower maintenance appeals to modern buyers. Many buyers prefer homes that won't require constant upkeep. Modern window materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames offer durability with minimal maintenance. Buyers appreciate no need for painting or refinishing, resistance to moisture and warping, long-lasting appearance. Low-maintenance upgrades reduce future costs and make a home more attractive. A smart return on investment. Window upgrades consistently rank among the home improvements with strong return on investment. While they improve everyday living for current homeowners, they also add measurable value at resale. Benefits include increased listing appeal, faster sales timelines, higher offers compared to similar homes, better appraisal outcomes. Professional installation protects value. To fully realize resale benefits, window upgrades must be professionally installed. Proper installation ensures clean, polished appearance, reliable performance, energy efficiency. Buyers can trust a strategic upgrade for Lafayette homeowners. Window upgrades offer one of the most effective ways to boost resale value in Lafayette. By improving curb appeal, energy efficiency, comfort, and buyer confidence, modern windows help homes stand out in a competitive market. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to protect your investment long-term, upgrading your windows is a smart, value-driven decision that pays off when it matters most.